Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. Moral Science book Being and Living, written by Reverend Father Dr. Jan Javier and Dr. K.S. Pandey. So, student, today we'll start chapter number 5, Knowing Oneself. Knowing oneself means about you have to know what you are. You have to know about your strength, your weakness, your passion, about your fears, your desire, your dreams. It means being aware of your like and dislikes, your tolerance, your limitations. These all are the having the meaning of knowing oneself. Knowing oneself means knowing yourself. Yourself means you have to know about your strength, then the weakness also you have to know. Then what about that passion, your passions, to whom and which is your the fear by which your fears a lot, to whom. Then your dream means that what you want to become, what is your aims. Then what it means that you are being aware of your like and dislikes also. Then your tolerance, your limitations, that all you have to know yours by by your own self. This is known as the knowing oneself. Then knowing yourself means knowing your purpose in life. Knowing one yourself means knowing your purpose of life, that you are having one life, and that life what you have to do, what you want to do. This all you have to, this help you have to take the decisions, and then you do about your strength. Then how to come up from your weakness. Then how to means how to clear your passion, how to means go to take get your passions, how to off your fears. This all it comes in the knowing about yourselves. Then here question is, why is knowing oneself important? Why is knowing oneself important means? It means knowing your weakness, of course, but it also means knowing your strength and what motivates you. Means if you are having your weakness, so you have to think about your weakness, where you are having the weakness, where you are having the weakness, where you are not where your strength is not working, where your all the moral downs, in which section your all the moral downs, in which section you are having the weakness, that you have to find out. And then also you have to know about your strength, and for which to whom, with whom you are sitting, and who motivates you, which strength motivates you. That all you have to that all is uh, important for you, that you have to know about this all. Then also, then only it will help you to move on from the weakness, and then get your strength, and fulfill your all the passions, fulfill your all the dreams also. So here if you're knowing yourself, then it is important for you also for knowing yourself, because without knowing yourself you are not able to do anything. If you are not understanding you, what you are and what you are inside, all that is there. So if you are not knowing this, then how you become a success, how to become a success in life. Then how to clear your the fearness, aware how to clear your fearness, how to clear your that weakness. All this you have to clear first, and then you will get to, or fulfill your all the dreams. Then it is possible to understand oneself. Yes, just like getting to know another person, understanding yourself take time, and you will learn for more through experiencing the way. Means that for knowing yourself, it is good. How you are knowing the another person, like this, you have to know yourself also, understand yourself, what you are, And if you are taking time, then you take time and understand yourself what you are. And then for so many experiences are there, if you are having experience in life, then you will be getting the more thoughts that what you did wrong and what you did right. So this is the uh, topic of that knowing your oneself. And what is the question, it is possible to understand oneself. So student, you have to think now. Sorry. So student, you have to think now that what you are, and you have to find out yourself what you are, uh, means what you are, what yourself. And you have to find yourself that find out that you are about your strength, weakness. So if you want to write some points also, that you can write and know what is the weakness, and what to whom you we fear. Sometimes some students fear about the exams, fear about to talk, fear about something. That fear you have to find out, and then clear that fear, resolve that your problems, and then come to your passion. So student, next topic we'll do in the next class. Thank you.